Welcome. Today, we'll guide you on how to send a picture with text on Gmail using your Android device. Adding visuals to your emails can make them more engaging and informative. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, open the Gmail app on your Android device to access your email account. Next, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to initiate a new message. Now, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the chat window to insert an attachment. You can either take a photo using your device's camera or choose a photo from your gallery as the attachment. Once you have selected or taken the photo, proceed to type the text you want to accompany the image. After you have finished composing your message, tap on the send arrow icon at the bottom right corner to send the email with the picture and text. Congratulations! You have successfully sent a picture with text on Gmail, adding a personalized touch to your email communication. Thank you for following along. We hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to enhance your emails by sending pictures with text on Gmail. Remember to leverage visuals to convey your message effectively and make your emails more visually appealing. Stay creative and connected in your digital communications.